Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's time for another episode of Leo's Workshop. And today we have a device called the ChekVolt. It's from Grace Technologies. And it's a very important device because you can put it in the cabinet door and it will indicate that you have live voltage. And then you can also use a procedure to test that you've successfully turned the voltage off. I'm going to move the camera a little closer so you'll be able to see exactly how it's working. Now you can see the ChekVolt is right here, and it's powered up. And the way you would normally test this is you would see power in the cabinet. You see the lights are flashing. I'm going to test my meter. I see that I have 120 volts. This model's 120 volts. Then I can cut power. I see the lights go out, and I can test my meter again, and I see that it is at 0 volts. But there's a feature of this that I want to test out, and that is that this is safe to put in the door. You can touch the voltage because they're very high impedance, and so live, I'm going to touch the probes of my meter. So here's the negative probe, and as you can see, I do in fact have voltage. I'm going to touch the negative probe, and then I'm going to touch the other probe, and it is safe to touch because of the high impedance, even though you're bringing line voltage out to the door. Bet you get a kick out of this. I put my tongue on it? No, I don't think so. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you later.